This is a 96 model.
And a person would ask, that's out of the mega carrier.
Okay. I can somewhat work on this rig. Couldn't come close to working on one of the new ones because they build them where I can't.
On purpose?
They build them on purpose where I can't work on them. They have too many gadgets. You have to have too many computer systems to diagnose a problem. Okay, the older truck gives me and yes, it does break down some, but I will compare it to any truck on the road because it's in good mechanical shape. Now, we just put a new engine in. We didn't put a junk motor in. We put a new crate engine in it.
It's less than buying another truck.